this is Susan with Alterations Next Door, and we're going to go through the instructions on how to bustle Sidney Gillintine's wedding dress. All right, we have 3 points on this bustle, and they're marked by pearl buttons. So if you look on the back of the dress, it's really greatly camouflaged. I really love that it is. But if you start in the middle, we can do that first. You're going to look down the middle, center front, center back seam right here. So it starts underneath the zipper. You can come down the fabric all the way down till you find a pearl button. Above the pearl button, in the seam, this is a seam line where the stitching is here, there's a hook. There's a little hook right there. You see that? So that hook actually hooks this way towards you. So you're going to go up to the waist for the center one. This is in the center. At the waist, below the buttons here, below the buttons, we're going to hook, go underneath that loop. There's a little loop there. Go underneath it. It's white also, by the way. Go underneath. You have to hold it and hook it because it's fairly heavy. And then hook it like that. And it drops down like that. So we have that in line with the button above it, right? So that's one. Again, I said there's 3. So for the sides, we have 2 more. So now the reference point you're going to look for is between the center back and the side seam. So there's a seam right in between there. You're going to start here at the top, run your finger down. If you don't see the pearl automatically, you can run your finger down this seam, keep going. The seam is here. Keep going. It should be somewhere, let's see. Oh, it's going to be pulled up. You may want to do these first, but it's going to be pulled up with that. So make sure you run down the seam, you'll see it. So there's another pearl here, and there's another hook above it. So now the loop for that one is somewhere along this seam line. So you're going to come back up the seam, run your finger down, and start looking in between the seam for a loop right here. And there it is. It's about, I guess, a foot from the waist here, 1 foot. Then you're going to take that hook it in like that. All right, that's number 2. Then you're going to come over to this other side, do the same thing. There's a seam right here between the side seam and the center. Come follow it. You can follow it and find the loop first, which is about a foot down. There's the loop. Keep going till you find that pearl down here. And there's a hook for it. Then you bring those 2 together. Hook that in there. And there's the 3rd one. So now from here, you just want to fluff it out. So the dress is bustled. So the hem should be just about where it is in the front on her. And the sides here are picked up. So you can go and fluff this out. Just can put your hand in there and pull some of that out, or tuck it in, whichever's you like, or whichever Sidney likes. And you're going to go ahead and fluff that out. You can pull out some of the sides here to make that. I like the sides being out. Like pull up under here and pull some of that fabric out the side there. So you should have a loop here, like loops here, then loops here. Okay, see that? Loops on the outside and loops on the inside here. And that's how it should look. Well, I have a picture. I'm going to show it to you how it looks on her. But that's it to bustle her dress. There should be 3 pearls, 1, 2, and 3 over here. Kind of wonky right now, but there's 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 pearls. Okay, so that's it. So she'll be able to dance and party in that, thanks to you. Okay, enjoy.